In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multiple-choice question paper in Microsoft Word. Whether you're preparing a school exam, a practice test, or a training assessment, Microsoft Word provides all the tools you need to design a clean, organized, and professional-looking MCQ exam paper. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can create your own with ease. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. First, set up the basic structure of your exam paper. At the top of the page, type the title of your exam, such as Multiple Choice Question Paper. Press Enter and add any necessary details below it, like the subject name, total marks, time duration, or instructions. You can format the title by increasing the font size, making it bold, and centering it using the options in the Home tab. Next, start typing your questions. Type the first question and press Enter to move to the next line. Below each question, list your answer options. A simple and clean way to format the choices is by using lowercase letters such as A, B, C, and D. To do this quickly, highlight the answer options, then go to the Home tab and click on the numbering drop-down menu in the paragraph section. Choose the style that displays letters instead of numbers. Word will automatically label your options in alphabetical order. If you prefer, you can also manually type the letters and add a parenthesis or period after each one. For better alignment and readability, you can adjust the indentation. Select the options and click Increase Indent to create a clear visual separation between the question and its answers. Consistent spacing makes the exam paper look more professional and easier to read. Continue this format for all your questions, maintaining consistent spacing and alignment throughout the document. Once finished, review everything carefully for spelling, formatting consistency, and proper numbering. Finally, save your document. You can also use the Print Preview option under File to ensure the layout looks correct before printing. And that's how you create a multiple-choice question paper in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.